Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana has, as you know, formed the potential 5-wave move up from the last low. Now it is entirely possible that we've bottomed there. That's always the thesis when we get a 5-wave move up, also when the context allows for that interpretation. Now, someone asked me earlier today on Discord, could this be, I don't know, still a 4th wave in the making with one more low to come? So, yeah, it could be. It could be that this is something like, and there are many ways how this could be interpreted. You could even have the 4th wave here, and then we say, that is basically like a flat correction, right? So we could say, hold on, the 4th isn't there, the 4th is here, and then this is something like an A wave up, a B wave down, a C wave up. That's why 5 waves up alone are never enough to confirm a low. It's the first confirmation. Okay, only that's what we're watching now. Okay, now it's interesting. That trend could be shifting. But yeah, if this is just an A overshooting B wave to the downside or something, C wave up, then this could still get another low. So again, until support actually holds when it's being tested and pressed, yeah, we won't know. Okay. What we know is we have a 5-wave move up from a low after a correction could be completed. The correction could be completed. We have enough waves to the downside. So that, it will be. So it will be the pullback that will tell us which one is it. Is it the blue count? Is it the or more bearish one maybe? For now, I mean, we haven't even got a confirmation that the top is in. People have been messaging me earlier today, sending me emails that it's breaking down, it's failing. It's failing. That was one email. It's failing. I mean, nothing is failing here. It hasn't even broken a previous low. I tried to recommend this week to many people not to be glued too much to the micro counts. I mean, we track them, but the levels are really what matters. And we now have space and room all the way down to $103.77 to keep a bullish scenario alive. Okay, so the next pullback needs to be corrective, and we need to be seeing 3 waves down. So the risk now is obviously again very high. The price formed the 5 waves I was looking at. I mean, throughout the week we've been tracking together, right? This 5-wave move up. The price held micro support here for a wave 4. We didn't break below the trend line again. The trend up, the uptrend remained active. So there was no change in thesis, assumption, or anything. Yeah, and I know it was boring, but the price formed the 5 waves we were looking at. So, and it even reached my target at $141.44. Exactly. So it can go higher, surely. Wave 5 could get to $147.14 or $150. But now, with that one more high and that next fib level reached, I'm definitely on the watch for a corrective pullback that could start from the region here. But please note, the entire blue zone is also there to be used. I mean, okay, if it gets above $150.73, it starts to be a bit strange. Then maybe something different is playing out. And that's why I said to you, if you're still watching for higher, or if you're trading for higher directly, then the last swing low could be a relevant key level here at, what is that, $132.50. I mean, as long as we are above the last swing low, there is absolutely no evidence that a top has formed. We need to give the price a bit of space, right? You cannot just like one candle. It doesn't tell you enough about the structure is changing. Okay, especially if we're still printing higher highs, higher lows. But what I'm trying to say is here we have fulfilled the minimum requirements for a trend reversal. Now we need to see if in the next pullback the price can react to these fib levels. And that would also be a further bullish confirmation. And then from there, we can watch for higher prices. But this will be key. And maybe here the price will test the trend line. We'll see. For now, I think now it's observation mode. Earlier in the week, we were watching for higher prices. Now those have been reached. And now it's about, okay, taking a step back and letting the market show when that pullback starts. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.